welcome to my channel. So this is my first woodworking project. I start with my dad's old tools, and which I try different tools, and sometimes I don't have the tools. I have to be creative to see what can I do and to get the result I wanted. So here I am, start drawing the lines, and this is the old-fashioned Chinese bench, and this will have all the joints with no nails. One bench has perfectly 90 degrees, one has 10 degrees in different angles, so this makes it a little bit harder to do in different ways. At the beginning I was trying to use chisels to dig the hole for the joint, but actually that's taking forever, so I have to decide to use a drill press or a drill to actually make the small holes first and to use the chisel to clean up. I use table saw to do the pre-cuts for the joints and use chisels and saws and planer to clean up later. I have tried different saws. In the end, I like the Japanese saw and the Chinese old-fashioned saw. I'm still practicing and still learning how to use them. It was very exciting the first time that the joint finally can fit into the surface. It took me a very long time to clean it up and to make it fit. So after that, I started building the support for the legs. After I finished the support, I realized the surface and the legs is still pretty much perpendicular. That's because I missed one side of the angle. So in the end, I have to adjust the angle of the hole for the joints in order the bench to be more stable, which I have to redo the supports for the legs and start to film. So this is after sanding before I paint it. Now is our final product.